Contact just happened again on this moment calendar, very progressive and being chasing by international. Context say from Islam Emirate International include also Israeli. Contact on this moment. Mediation by Ellen Farm International contacting 6661 Police Company. Say Ellen Farm International being agreed for status as domicile residence also among countries Islam Emirate and Israel. Country My Logo 666 on this millennium being approved, being supported by Islam and also Israel. Declaration, proclamations, existency, national My Logo, alien family global, alien family God on Israel and Islam Emirate countries. Context alien family international already exists for conversations with Islam, Arabic, and Israel on this progress. And say already being agreed, being wait for the proclamations and the existency national my logo among countries Islam, Emirate, and Israel. 6661 Framing is the pattern for that. Already being understand, being agreed by Islam, Emirate, and Israel also. Chasing the contacting experience telecommunications contact body supernatural 6661 Framing on this moment calendar. Friday, 19 November 2021. Still needed speaking English because also the progress about case supernatural this millennium. Confusing status suspect activity, human conspirations global about supernatural, leadership himi commanding goods and grave. The Gothic alien family gun and already conference particularly by Internet ID 6661 for this conference. Alien family on the to be repositioned status again, want to reclaim again for status as God to religions. And about next appointment code national Ethereum God or facilitate or mediation by Islam, Arabic, and Israel also. Supporting 6661 for Scout Framing, supporting Alien Family Global Appointment, Alien Family Existency on this millennium. Context this phenomenon supernatural, very shocking and definitive, already being understood by Islam, Arab, and also Israel. For status, human commanding goods in Greek, called human commanding goods in Greek on millennium. Human conspiration activity supernatural, local, domestic, rich countries, betraying for the situation progress, particularly on by internet ID 6661 for this family, already definitive understand by international and Islam, Arabic, and Israel. Context Ellen International on trust connection actually on Islam countries, continents, Arabic, and also Israel. 6661 Kurska Family need to make the conference for precondition or particularly official alien family international on this day. Context this also about momentum, preparing, producing a product My Logo 666. And contact just happened also for option about also My Logo 666 as digital money or national internet global. Alien family ownership assets and confirmations reclaim about existence My Logo 666 include about that. On this moment progress on this day since 2008 or the pioneering basic about pioneering existence case supernatural commanding commanded goods from great called millennium. By internet ID 6661 for discovering conversation and also experience supernatural already by peoples so countries already authentic and alibi. On commitment and still complicated for next conversation already because also about case following 6661 for discount framing context need to be persuasive for the conference and also allowing the moment situations. Allen Family International basically being approved, being agreed for ownership domicile residence committee about declaration proclamation existency Allen Family ownership money logo numbering of people on Arab Islam Emirate countries and Israel. Continents Arabic context is similar with that. Conversations about leadership Allen family to religions include also that, and the Allen Fund International is available on Arab Islam Emirate continents and also Israel. National Ethereum Galactica context actually already performs for their existence on continents Arab, Emirate and Israel. Since years before Report 6661 discovery, since years before 2008, domicile residence Sky Real Estate National before and contact conversation them also with the countries on Arabic continents and Israel. Delegation and Allen Family status also as self-national UFO National Ethereum Galactica, actually already recognized by peoples on Arab, Islam, Emirate continents and Israel. Since years before Report 6661 discovery, since years before 2008. And this moment situation 2021 include also for continuing about then. 6661 discovery meaning definitive the true 666 in the world. Definitive trust particular about this moment also. Context Allen family definitive available for conversations with Arab Emirate Islam countries. Think also about Israel and countries on Arabic. Say Allen Fund International supporting and need to be sustained for a conference by Internet ID 6661 discovery. Purchasing the situation moment appointment international a refund numbering of people. Holy Spirit destiny with explanation also completing struggling existence case called human commanding goes in grave called millennium called numbering of people. Messaging national waveform Allen Family conversations international since years before Reform 6661 discovery. And the domicile residence official already include Arab Emirate, Islam and Israel. For made the producing money logo 666 progressive situations moment appointment Allen Fund International ownership self national banking include Islam Emirate countries my logo each other. Context is also about Allen Family what reclaim ownership assets on international internet global context very interesting and quite shocking also from this moment progress case different wrong. Human commanding goes to grave on relations consideration with TV Alien Family ownership assets by international syndicate conspiration internet global. Context still confusing, still absurd, and need to be improved for the particular by Internet ID 6661 for discovery. 6661 for discovery being approved from this moment calendar also for the conference and anchoring the conditions. Allen Family on potential on moment with Arab Emirate Islam countries. Declaration Proclamation Existence Allen Family National Money Logo Numbering of people with code also include Ethernet or Internet and then also about digital money and also Forex Global Derivative International. Context here Allen Family going to be investigate for their status ownership assets actually. Since first beginning what is happening situations. Allen Family own assets on international such also Internet Global as pointer on this moment appointment. 6661 for discovery on affiliate conference with Arab Emirate Israel need to be facilitated being mediated by Internet ID 666 for discovery. Allen Fund International with their names each others also still mystery still being filed by Arab Emirates. Such also alien amateur or about prophet century to century also include on this moment day. Context say alien form international definitive concentrate and conversations for their existence, appointment international millennium numbering people. Reform the 3666 in the world is the chosen one with explanation also explanation Holy Spirit destiny. Struggling the existence case human commanding goods to grave satanic human called millennium called numbering called people. Reform the 3666 in the world. 6661 called discovery 666 Islamia 666 Trinity Christianity 666 Bodhicitta 666 kingdom in the world. Very short in context say it could also about iconic centuria to 666 local discovery. One pointer exclusive on this moment situation progress. Experience phenomena supernatural with investigation about status suspect to human commanding goods to grave. Ethnic customs local and also about code Tijuana or country Indonesia. Conspiration international on this millennium about terror also. It also about America and internet global friendship on the progress. 6661 for discovery in context and definitive get connected with Islam, Arabic continents countries. On this moment experience telecommunications contact body supernatural for continue about prepared centuria journey to future. Alien found itself and already conversations by countries Islam, Emirate continents and Israel. It's about alien family coalitions and affiliation also for international Islam world and Islam. Money logo 666 Forex Global International confession together with Islam countries. Context say alien fund international on potential for status as supreme international leader by Islam world. In context saying conference internet ID 666 one discovering quite interest for this moment confusing situations case supernatural experience international very holistic and intellectual academic as conference on global networking Islam world. Context saying 666 one discovering available as premier alibi for next conversation international about momentum experience supernatural happening on this millennium. Think also for about a rival numerical people in same time. 666 one discovering being a permission by Islam World for the conference on Internet Global. Context Alien Family Global International Alien Family God already being approved, already being recognized for conversations with Islam World on this day. About appointment reform number in people, about leadership Islam World also to future. Alien Family ownership national banking self money logo numbering people Sharia Islamia context say already permission for ownership domicile address domicile official on continents Arab Islam and Israel. This is about the continued appointment and situations on Arab Emirate Islam and Israel also. Context Alien Family God is leader for religions on Arab, Islam and Israel. 6661 got discovering patent for about the 2666 in the world. Decoration proclamation alien family existence is safe national money logo already exists or being published by Internet ID 6661 got discovering definitive international standard and also about the status as alibi conversations each countries. Health Fund International Predictions Preparatory Committee Appointment International Millennium Reform Numerical Bill 6661 Discovery being approved being a statement by Conversation International, also Alien Family Global. Alien Family Global Authority for about realizations Internet ID 6661 discovering. Contact this moment calendar improved by Internet ID 6661 discovering for precondition particular Alien Family International on this millennium. 666 International or rewrite the true one on this millennium. Since century to century, being waged by alien family global for about co-human commanding goes from grave, God Jehovah. Co-millennium, God mark of the beast, satanic human global futuristic, God antichristus, God rival numbering, God people, Holy Spirit, the destiny. Decoration, proclamation, existence, alien family among countries human on future on millennium, contact similar and being improved by the ID 666 on discovering on this moment. 666 on discovering context quite famous and already being understand on internet global social media friendship on this day. Very conversations and also anchoring for the situations of progress. Alien Family Global actually already conversation and our courtesy for this moment appointment years before 2008 and can be found on Internet Global files on YouTube. Context saying this about interview continue alien friendship human and also about the conversation with Islam world. Alien Family God for religions and already complete for the Rendezvous appointment enemy, human commanding goes from gate, Dukun. For explanation conditions and also moment appointment rival numbering code people. Alien Family appointment next to future. Code National Ethereum Galactica. Alien Family still guard to future. For status as developer also for the existence living multi-planets on universe. Enterprise civilian with attribute also from military clone angel. 6661 discovery meaning context saying status as first step on this millennium, status as ambassador for particular precondition alien family appointment. Alien family want to claim ownership universe and also moment Rendezvous challenger Rifalian Cochita co-enemy human commanding goes in Greek. 6661 discovery meaning contact also about the status alien family presidential to Emerson General National Ethereum Galactica. Waiting the momentum and reform performs on international to future. 6661 discovery meaning definitive non-internet hoax on this day. Since 2008 and on Alibi, very confusing and shocking also because it could for suspect syndicate or conspiracies networking of them. From domicile country Indonesia, Cote d'Ivoire, Cote d'Uganda, and also about the continents Asia. From internet global friendship connection trust and confusing also about them. 6661 discovery meaning definitive progressive and can be trust for the intellectual conference on internet global this day. And permission already given by alien farm itself for made the conference on internet global as pre-comp for alien family podium speech international. National Alien Family Self. Alien Family status self-ambassador for their conversation with countries, but about the appointment refund numbering of people, the true 666 in the world. Holy Spirit destiny, struggle for existence case, human commanding goods from greed, satanic human global futuristic, all arrive and challenging on this day. God millennium, God antichristus, God refund numbering of evil. Alien Family International, Alien Family God, or recognize about them. They receive local attendance from countries and also about domicile residents 6661 discovery. And contact us and also about money reward for naming one connect. Being approved, being understand and still thinking for the realizations by Islam world also. Arab Emirat, Islam and Israel countries there contact on this moment by improving 666 one Koliska Feminine Cell. Ellen Farm International contact on this conference by the ID 666 one Koliska Feminine. For considerance about money reward to name in one comment also 22 trillion rupiah. Definitive authentic by basic about the situation, the recent case also since 2008. Only also by local peoples and about the connections case on internet global. 666 one college framing want the permission and tolerance for the money reward on this day. 666 one college framing definitive being sabotaged for the ownership financial ordinary job also named in one comment. And also about another case point says also intellectual academic personnel of Irwan Cornell, and also about human rights of Irwan Cornell, and etc. So also psychology and also personality preferred name Irwan Cornell. 666 one Cornell scarf framing context this definitive horsphere destiny. The choosing one or the true name one Cornell or 666 one Cornell scarf framing. 666 one Cornell scarf framing. That's all for this moment calendar. Context Ellen Farm International definitive being approved, being permission for ownership domicile residence office also on Arab Emirat Islam continents and Israel. Thank you very much. People can search for the updates and information, and also next conference internet ID 666 on discovering the social media internet global on this day, such as also Google and also Pinterest and Facebook also and Twitter also and YouTube also and link friendship internet ID 666 on discovering quite famous and available because pioneering the existence case on millennium. Phenomena supernatural happen on international, experienced by peoples among countries, and also about the claim discovery numbering of people. The 2666 in the world, 666 Islam, 666 Kingdom, 666 Trinity Christianity, 666 Kaisar, 666 Holy Spirit Destiny, Alien Amertel, 666 ICDM, 666 one on discovering the 366 century to century with explanation also Holy Spirit Destiny. For the creation, proclamation, existence in national country, my logo, Alien family. Thank you very much. And the 6th day God was created human and similar with Father and Son and Holy Spirit. Definitive wrote on Bible and Al-Quran. Actually question for suspect supernatural on this day. Human commanding goes from grave for the statement claim about their status similar with God on Holy Book because they are saying the ownership, the authority supernatural among social called Dukun, called Begu Kencang, called Syirhua. Ethnic customs local and also their next connections, conspiracy case following religions from Asia continents and the friendship also through internet global social media such also Bigo APK. That's all and see you on my next internet.